a young person thinking about a career in whatever industry that they're looking at, then I would first and foremost get on the internet. It's an amazing resource. Find out who's doing the work that you're interested in your area. How are they doing it? Why are they doing it? Go and speak to them, maybe make contact with them. And above all, try and get as much experience in that area as possible.
Find out some of the key players in that industry, do a bit of market research, and then look at what they're doing. Now, never copy, because you'll never be different and your business will never stand out. Find an opening, a niche, something that you can use, and then formulate your business around that.
Be sy'n bwysig yn y maes bwyd ydy fod chdi wahanol. Mwyn i gynnyrch sefyll allan, mae rhaid fod wahanol ac sŵt ti'n wahanol, yna mae bobl yn mynd i gymryd diddordeb. A wedyn ysgol ddiddordeb, gobeithio fod nhw'n prynu. Felly mae'n bwysig meddwl am beth sy'n neud y cynnyrch yn unigryw a'r term Saesneg i'r USP, Unique Selling Point, neu'r pwynt gwerthu unigryw, fel fod rhywun yn sefyll allan yn y farchnad.
My company is very niche, so I knew exactly that I needed to be looking at the criminal sector to start with, and then I've broadened my company quite extensively since I first set up.
I actually think it's really valuable to surround yourself with people from different backgrounds because they could be asking the really naive questions that you haven't thought about, and also because there's a lot of transferable problems between sectors that actually come as quite a surprise. So I think it's very useful.
We have to constantly innovate and come out with new designs. You can't stand still in any business, so you've always got to think of what will the next thing be that will appeal to people.
A top tip is for people to be aware that your business plan is going to change probably as you move through business, so don't be afraid to adapt your business to the change of your industry that you work in.
There's a lot of value sometimes in having worked for 5 or 10 years, understanding an industry, getting a network of supporters and contacts, but for some projects you learn a lot more by just trying it and just doing it.
I think young people should grasp every opportunity as they come. I think having the role models going to school, I think we are challenging the expectation that young people are going to walk into jobs when they leave. What they need to do is just research it, look at what other businesses are doing, and if they have got an idea, to go back to Big Ideas in Wales and kind of say, you know, how can you help me support this idea and make it a reality?